Welcome. Welcome to my declaration day for the 90-day challenge of Aprilynne Alter. What is the 90-day challenge that I'm talking about? Well, it is a challenge not just about creating a bunch of content or following prompts. This is a challenge where I will be studying YouTube creators, seeing what my taste is like, practicing and experimenting with different techniques, different methods, seeing how I do with my lighting, my sound, all of those qualities of video, and creating videos that are much better than they are now, 90 days from now. So by January 7th, you will see a new and improved channel, and hopefully one that will help me to get deeper and wider with my content. And also, hopefully, I'll be able to attract more people into my audience. If we haven't met yet, my name is Julie Jordan Scott. I am also known as a creative life midwife. I am a multi-passionate creator, and my anchor art is writing. But this channel serves people who also have an interest in creativity, whether it be making videos, poetry, theater, visual art, all of those things where we express ourselves and we use our voice in different ways. That is a passion of mine, to help people feel stronger and more confident in their creative voice. By the way, I almost forgot to say, I would love it if you'd like this video, comment, let me know what you'd like to know more of. If you have any gold nuggets to share. I'm doing an experiment at the very end of the video, so if you could stick around till then, I would really appreciate it. Always wanting to learn and grow. Aprilynne's challenge allows me to playfully experiment and to not just go to one YouTube growth guru and take everything they say. I am following a couple of YouTube growth people to learn from, as well as all these other people who have huge followings. One of my problems with some challenges is that they are one person, you're listening to what one person says and their wisdom, and so by studying other YouTube creators, I'm learning new things. So in this challenge, we are to follow or to look at, Aprilynne says 30 different videos. I'm doing a little bit differently. I'm actually taking 12 or 13, maybe 14 creators, and I'm looking at different videos of theirs. Some of the categories where these creators create are home and vintage decor, retirement romance, which for me, I was actually looking for like romance for retirees because I'm working on a romance novel for older people. But no, this is people who talk about retirement, and they talk about money in retirement. They talk about estate planning. They talk about making a living. They may talk about traveling. They may talk about mental health, all those different things. I'm also looking at a woman who is talking about entrepreneurship and fitness and cooking and something I call bromancing. I've been studying him for the last week or so. Time management is one, YouTube growth, cooking, I think I might have said that already, but a whole wide variety of makers and creators so that I can see what they're doing, see how that compares to what I've been doing, and see what I can learn and take away. And then I will share those takeaways with you. Because whenever I'm working on videos, I am thinking about you. I'm thinking about, how would this help you? How would this make your life better than it is when you started watching my videos? Let me look at my list and see here what I was going to say. I'm at High Point. I heard a weird sound, and of course I thought there's an animal behind me. Wouldn't that be kind of weird if we saw an animal? I don't want to manifest that. Some of you may remember back in last winter, at the end of last winter, I talked about being the anti-expert. That was when I was first starting out doing nomading. And I am still doing part-time nomading and exploring that as a means of living out these years. And I'm playfully experimenting with that. But one of the reasons that I said anti-expert is because I find that people who just follow one guru don't get a real wide perspective or wide picture, which is one of the reasons I'm so attracted to Aprilynne's challenge. So with that said, I think we've covered all our bases. Oh, I will be doing follow-up videos every Tuesday, just like usual. I do a YouTube growth video, but the difference now in these YouTube growth videos that I do, I will include the lessons that I'm learning from these makers. So when you come to those growth, it won't just be me talking about my growth. It'll be me talking about what I'm learning so that I can pass on the wisdom of these folks to you. Because I really want to help you. If you're a YouTube creator, I want to help you grow. If you're not a YouTube creator, I just want you to have fun. And I'll come up with something. I'll come up with some way that we can all walk away with something, whether we're YouTube creators or not. Anyway, the sun's going down, so it's time for me to go home. Thank you so much for watching, and I so appreciate you being a part of my growth here on YouTube, my continued development, and you know, just having you in my sphere makes my life better. I'll see you in the next video. Take good care. I hope you had fun watching this video and hearing about how I'm planning to grow and develop as a YouTube creator. Wow, I'm going fast. Sorry about that. Hope you're not dizzy. But what I want you to see here are ways to subscribe, another video to watch, and a playlist, which I'm putting up here. These have been especially chosen for you. Thanks so much again for supporting my channel. I look forward to the next time we are together in the same place. And hey, leave me a comment and I'll come watch your videos too. That's just something I like to do. I like to get to know the people who are here watching my videos. Have a great day.